AIGLOT AI has just launched, and if you're looking to stay ahead of the game with the latest and most powerful AI software, this review is for you. I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about AIGLOT AI, things you might not even realize you need to consider. And by the way, you can try this software for completely free through the first link in the description, so stick around until the end to see how it works and why I think it might be a game changer. Now, AIGLOT AI isn't just another AI tool. It's a robust platform that's geared to solve real problems for marketers, creators, and business owners. One of the most impressive things about it is how quickly it adapts to different tasks. Whether you're creating content, analyzing data, or automating marketing campaigns, AIGLOT AI allows you to integrate its capabilities directly into your workflow. I'll go into more detail about how it's done, but let me start by saying it's surprisingly intuitive for something this advanced. What sets AIGLOT AI apart from others is its machine learning models that can be tailored to fit your needs. Whether you're looking to automate social media posts or create complex data models, AIGLOT has an AI solution that can handle it all. It's like having a personalized AI assistant that can grow and adapt with you over time. This software is optimized for both beginners and experts, so you won't feel lost navigating through its features. One of the coolest things I've noticed is how user-friendly the interface is. With many AI tools, there's a steep learning curve, but AIGLOT AI bucks that trend. It has a clean design with straightforward navigation, which makes it incredibly easy to start using right out of the box. You can start creating and automating tasks in minutes without needing an in-depth tech background. Another standout feature of AIGLOT AI is its automation capabilities. It doesn't just analyze data, it can trigger actions based on that data. For example, it can automatically create follow-up emails or generate content suggestions based on user behavior and preferences. This is massive for marketers who want to save time but still produce high-quality results. Think about how much time you'll save not manually tracking leads or responding to every customer inquiry. Speaking of customer engagement, AIGLOT AI also offers impressive natural language processing. This means it can generate highly relevant, engaging content for social media, blogs, or ads. If you're a business owner, content creator, or digital marketer, you're going to love this feature. It takes the guesswork out of creating content that resonates with your audience. It's almost like having a copywriter on demand without the ongoing costs. Now, I'm sure you're wondering about the price, because let's face it, great AI software isn't usually cheap. But AIGLOT AI offers a completely free version, so you can dive in and try it for yourself without any financial commitment. If you like what you see and want access to even more advanced features, they've got tiered plans that scale with your business needs. But again, you can explore everything at no cost to see if it's a fit. Lastly, AIGLOT AI's ability to integrate with other platforms really makes it stand out. Whether you're using other CRM tools or marketing software, AIGLOT AI works seamlessly with those systems. This is crucial if you're running a digital marketing campaign or automating multiple aspects of your business. You don't have to juggle between different tools and worry about syncing data anymore. To sum up, AIGLOT AI is a powerful new AI tool that deserves attention. Whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or just someone interested in cutting-edge technology, this software has the flexibility and features to meet your needs. Remember, you can try AIGLOT AI for free by clicking the first link in the description. And after testing thousands of AI tools, this one really stands out in terms of usability and value. And before you go, check out my recommended AI tools in the description. You'll find software that's been carefully selected after testing the best of the best. Try them out for free, and I promise you won't be disappointed.